playing with them. Wow!
Like little balls on the end.
What's this? It's cold outside. Everything in the car is frozen. Even our bread.
Yeah, I left the bread in here and it froze.
Yeah, we had a loaf of bread to make sandwiches with and it's frozen solid. And I just picked up this Coke because I was going to take a sip of it and it's frozen solid. Everything's frozen.
It was colder outside here than it is in our freezers.
Oh yeah. It's cold out. We're here. See the pretty chapel, the big wreath.
Oh, they have a petting farm.
You do?
Yeah, the farm says petting farm on it.
Interesting. Oh, so pretty. All covered in snow, and wow, there's like not very many people here. Good thing about coming on a Monday morning, I guess, because usually when we come, it's like packed. Like you can't even find a parking space. Packed. Yay!
Yeah, there isn't very many.
Look at that tree. It's got ornaments on it and snow. Oh my gosh. So pretty. We're gonna go see Santa.
Yay, Bronners!
Nice strollers.
Let's go.
Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go.
No. Hold your finger there.
Oh gosh. If it falls, it's not like it's gonna break, it's like plastic.
Yeah. Pretty cool, eh?
Mine. Look at mine. You guys are so short you can't see it up here.
I can see it. Oh, yeah.
Whoa. I think that one's more for us.
More appropriate.
No more silent
You.
nights.
Find somebody a stocking.
Oh, yep. Time to get the stocking.
Nothing pink.
Time to get your stocking. There's your stocking. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, you got a little tear.
You like it?
She's just a crabbing. Somebody needs a nap. Look, there's your stocking.
Should we get her this big one that I got?
Ooh, pretty. Which one? Oh.
The one she could like fit in it.
Here.
Yeah, I could
Pretty
probably
much.
fit in it.
In the bird section. My grandma, growing up, it's this little ball here that makes the noise. This is probably where she got it. And she used to decorate her tree with like all different kinds of birds and stuff. Mostly the white doves and cardinals. I remember growing up hearing that all the time going off.
I have this one at home, don't I?
You have that? Yeah, you got one of them. I don't remember which one you got.
It's this one.
Is it that one?
Yeah, this one.
Hey, Apple.
That is so weird.
It's annoying orange.
That's pretty cool.
Off to the woods.
Push it up against the wall. It's funny. It's flat on the back.
It's a half tree. Tree skirts and wreaths. Big wreaths. Okay, we say this every year. That's how big a tree we want.
Oh, you want real. That would be like, oh, near impossible.
And it goes all the way to the
I want it.
30-foot tree, I would think.
It's fake though.
Well, it probably has the statistics on it, or the.
That's gotta be taller than 15 feet.
It says 15.
Yeah.
Well, you're 5,
Basketball. Let's shoot basketball.
Michael. You're 5 foot, 5, 6, whatever.
Okay.
So it's 3 of you.
Oh yeah, I guess
Here,
basketball.
I'll get on top of your head. What you measure?
No. Here we go. Here's a tree for Chelsea.
It's so big. Look at how big it is. Look at how big it is. It's so huge. It's about the size of my head.
Like a Charlie Brown tree.
A little better than that.
Better, not much. Yeah.
Big snowman. Oh, check those out. Cool. Look underneath. We were just looking at those. They're like all light up white. It lights up. There's a normal one.
Well, they're all like this, but this one's lit up to show you what it does. It's just battery operated. It's got a switch on the bottom.
I bought that one years ago. Look at it. You recognize this?
Oh, I thought that one did too.
I like that one though.
It doesn't light up though, but they're ice skating.
No, it does.
Oh, it does.
Just must not. Battery must not work.
No, there it is.
That's what she just said. Look at one really pretty.
Oh, it changes
Oh,
colors.
it changes. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, I like that.
21.
Oh, cool. Just looking at the silver train that's right there. Check out that bulb. Stand in front. Stand in front and I'll show how big it is. Well, you can't really see.
It looks like
It's
the KFC guy. I almost thought it was the KFC guy.
She thought that was Colonel Sanders.
Cool that they have your face on a big ornament.
Would you like your face on a big ornament?
I would.
Those are cool. It's like all sciencey light, or Christmas ornaments. Star spinners.
$5. Should we get one?
Hey, you got money.
I have 10. I don't want to spend $5.
I guess we're not getting one of these then. Yeah. Going to see Santa. Santa. Ooh, through the magical curtains.
Look, fake cookies. Fake cookies. Oh, another shock. I'm getting ready. It's our turn.
What did you get? She did say big.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Coming to see Santa?
Hi.
Sure, you want to come see Santa's man? I can give you a ride on my little reindeer. Would that be all right? I'm going to put you right here. That's all right, sweetie. I'm going to just give you a little jump. Did you hear Santa's bells?
Alex, you want to get in the picture? It's okay. Oh.
There's somebody, you know.
Alex, go stand behind her and get a picture real quick.
This is for you to put on your
Oh.
Christmas tree.
Okay. Surprises are
Close,
good.
isn't it? This is for you to put on your Christmas tree.
Thank
Little
you,
snowman,
Santa.
and just remember, it is Jesus' birthday. Isn't it? That's what we celebrate.
Oh,
Have
yes.
a very, very Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Do we just let her eat it off the floor?
At this point, I think so.
She was eating cheese on her plate and then grabbed the whole plate and they went everywhere.
And you told me all of
You see what she's doing? She's shoveling them in her mouth.
She's going as fast as she can because she knows I'm taking it away.
It's like Eddie.
Not 2 minutes ago, Michael said, you need to do something with that plate. She's going to dump it. So I put it underneath my knee, and she just like ripped it out from underneath my knee. Shit, she's eating all the fast.
Hurry up, 5-second rule, 5-second rule. Now there is a Christmas village. Wow, yeah, that's new.
Oh, look at the airplane.
Chrysler building.
Look.
Oh, and there's a landing strip.
Yeah.
National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
Oh.
It's their house. And there's Clark with the light.
Oh.
That is so cool.
Oh, hey, here's the Cousin Eddie's RV.
Oh, I didn't notice that. That's funny.
So they've got from A Christmas Story, the movie. They've got the village here. There's Cleveland Elementary.
Oh, look at the ugly leg lamp.
Sticking his tongue to the pole. There's their house. The box with the leg lamp. They got some cool stuff. The robbers, when he shot him. There's your stocking. Magic.
Wait
That's just all of ours now.
Yep.
Oh, it's for a dog. I thought it was for a kid. It says coconut, and I thought it was for a kid.
What do you think?
Wow.
Looks pretty good.
Okay, so we are going to the Silent Night Memorial Chapel, which is just right over from Bronner's.
I'll take it.
Am I supposed to be taking a picture? Okay. It's cold!
Okay, we're going under the wooden bridge. It's my favorite part. I always like going under this bridge. Here we go. 7 miles per hour.
Oh,
Wait for somebody else to come through.
It's like a little parade.
three somebodies.
Do, 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 do. Do, do, do.
Do people have to go through there just to go through there for other reasons?
Nah.
So it's just for fun.
It's for fun.
Oh wow, the lake is frozen.
Oh yeah.
Can't see it very well, but
Boy, it's too bad they couldn't make that like an ice skating.
It's a river though, so there's flowing water underneath.
yay!
I was gonna say, I want to get it so bad.
Look!
Oh, wait. I got Sully. It's cute.
It's a big mic.
It's a ball. I'm gonna grab him by his eyelid. Oh my gosh.
Wow!
He's big.
Look at that.
I didn't do it.
Do you like it?
Okay, so now watch for ice. I just said watch for ice. Now we're gonna go walk down. This is downtown Frankenmuth. Ooh, smoke coming out of the sewer.
That's not good.
Oh, I don't know if you can see with the sun. Nope. So
Going to the tree's house.
we're actually gonna go down to the cheese house where we tried. They give samples of cheese. They have all kinds of cheese. Really good cheese. We went there last year. We go there every year.
They have regular houses.
Yeah.
Oh.
How? Yes, people live here. Everybody's all bundled up.
It's toasty. She's so warm against me. She's
Good.
eating
Both
me.
you,
And
yeah, I
I'm
just say you
eating
guys
her.
are both eating each other.
So nice.
Cheese house. Cheese. What'd you have?
Garlic.
Oh, I had the jalapeno.
Is the jalapeno good?
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna try that too.
Somebody's snoozing.
Do you remember I couldn't have this last year because I was pregnant?
Yep.
Garlic's pretty good.
We seem to have lost our child in the toy store. She must have found something good.
Look at these. They're dragons. Look at that.
Cool.
Look at them. There's a two-headed water dragon, ice dragon, fire dragon. Like a phoenix. That's so cool.
Okay, now we're gonna go in the country store. Ah, you're grounded.
I saw there was people at your back and you didn't even realize.
You threw some at me too? You're double grounded.
You didn't know it?
No?
Look on your back. Where is he?
Yeah, I can look on my back. I can look on my back.
Yeah, you do snow on your back.
You're triple grounded for having still snow on my back.
Can you get daddy?
Yay, we've arrived at our destination. Yay! And she's got all this room at my dad's to move around, and she is.
And all these toys. And
Is it time for your close-up? Say hi, everybody.
happy?
Yay!
My allergies are acting up.
It's winter.
Yeah.
Yay!
Are you performing?
Yay! We're watching skating on Canadian television. Whoa!